We can go, Wicket. That's your one. It's okay. Good boy. Oh, yeah. Okay, there's your bone, Wicket.
You're so cute. You like to see my hair. Oh, and then we're both got it. Oh, my mom's in that picture. Here we go. We can shut the fuck up.